Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw Chutki from Chota Bheem. So let's get started. Follow me step by step and you will draw beautiful Chutki. Whenever you are drawing with a pencil, make small strokes so that gadbad hone par bhi you can rub it and make it particularly at the perfect place where it should be. This is for the beginners because not everyone can draw a painting in one go. We all need correction and putting together everything. So do make mistake, but draw it very fluently once you get the entire picture. So make small strokes, make mistakes and draw with me. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Enjoy watching. I hope you're loving the video. Continue watching till the end for the coloring of video so that you don't miss anything that is really beautiful and amazing at the end. And as now the picture is completed, let's now color the picture. So let's get started. Hey guys, if you enjoyed watching, do share this video with your little ones who really love watching these cartoon characters and drawing, want to learn from us. Do join our Telegram group and you can also suggest your favorite cartoon character in the comment box below. And now it's time to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get notified every time we post new video. Thanks for watching.